One of the biggest reasons why most people can't get rid of their lower belly fat is because they are not elevating their heart rate when you are doing your ab workouts. Because when we elevate the heart rates, we actually get our body to go into fat burning mode while making sure we develop those ab and core muscles. So today I'm going to take you through a lower belly fat burning workout that is only 10 minutes, that is going to light your core on fire as well as make sure we burn through the fat. So get really excited here in Hawaii on this episode of Lean Living.
Mackenzie's listening to me.
Done the work. Your body care working too. Welcome back to a brand new episode, squaddies. I really hope you enjoy this workout. Today we are going to be doing a lower belly fat burning core workout that is only 10 minutes long. I am here in Hawaii, I am out in the sunshine, and I'm really excited to smash this workout. But before we do, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and also make sure you get really excited because we are going to be getting healthier, fitter, and leaner, as well as getting those lower ab muscles ready to pop, because we are going to ignite the metabolism, which is going to get our bodies into fat burning mode while working all of those core muscles. So for today, I just want you to follow along with me. We are going 20 seconds on, 10 seconds rest through 10 different exercises. First exercise we're gonna do is a mountain climber march, just in and out, just like that, making sure your feet are going really far back. We're gonna use a whole host of different exercises to really engage all of those core muscles. So without further ado, get excited. It is time to get lean in 3, 2, 1. Here we go, mountain climber march. So feet nice and far back. You can see I'm keeping my back nice and flat, driving my hands into the ground and marching back and forth. Nice and quick. You can alternate which leg leads. Just make sure you throw those feet as far back as you possibly can. 2, 1. Whew. All right, next up is plank with hip dips. Elbows on the ground, planking side to side in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. This is a great exercise for our obliques here. Keep the tempo high. If you need to, you can drop down and do this one on your knees. Same exact motion, just like that. And really push the tempo here. 2, 1. Whew. All right, next up is a half burpee, but we're gonna stay low, just like this. Back and forth, okay? 3, 2, 1. So just nice and quick. I'll show you from the front here. See how I'm staying low, throwing those feet really far back. This one lifts the heart rate. Keep pushing. 2, 1. Oh, wow. Next up is leg raises. We're gonna go leg raises and pop up at the top. 2, 1. So it's just like that. And you can see here, we're alternating between some isolated ab exercises and those more high tempo exercises that are really gonna get our metabolism on fire. 2, 1. Whew. Next up is crossbody mountain climbers. So what I want you to do here is drive those knees across the body. 2, 1. Push it as hard as you can. Really twist in the core, keeping that butt down. This is another example. Oh man, my heart rate is through the roof. 3, 2, 1. Whew. You can see here what we're doing. We're lifting that heart rate. Next up, his hands are gonna be at your side. You're gonna go side to side, just like that. 2, 1, here we go. Now, if you want, you can also do this with bent legs. Come on, keep going. This one's tough. 2, 1, wow. Oh man, we're 3 minutes done. Plank jacks up next. Oh, so that's just gonna be feet in and out like that. 2, 1, another high tempo. Driving those arms into the ground, keeping that butt nice and low. Whew. I feel this already in my core, my obliques. Really push. 3, 2, 1. Wow. All right, we're going side crunches, left side. What you're gonna do here is bring those knees towards the elbow. 2, 1. So do your best to keep pushing. Remember, this is how we're gonna get rid of that lower belly fat. Come on. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Wow. Oh man, the core, our heart rate. There's so much leanness going on. All right, next side in 3, 2, 1. Really push it here. I hope you've set some big goals for 2020. And it all starts with our health and fitness. The healthier you are, the more energized you're gonna be, the better you're gonna sleep. Oh, sorry, I was grabbing my timer. 2, 1, wow. All right, last one here, and then we're going one more time through. This is a double snap burpee, so it's like a half burpee, but feet are in line with your hands. 2, 1, just like this. Come on, move as fast as you can. Throwing those feet nice and far back. Really pushing your core to its limits. Lift that heart rate, come on. 3, 2, 1, wow. All right, we got mountain climber march. Way to go, keep pushing here. Come on. And squats, if you haven't already done so, make sure, here we go, 2, 1, mountain climber march. You tag me when you smash these workouts at LEANSQUAD on Instagram. Because every time you post about it, you're gonna inspire someone else to do the same, to make positive changes this year. 2, 1, wow. Whew. You can feel it. All right, we're going plank with hip dips. 3, oh my gosh, 2, 1, side to side. Remember, you can do this one on your knees. 10 seconds to go. 5, 3, 2, 1. Woo. Wow. We got the half burpee to stay low. Come on. If you're getting tired, just think 2, 1. That means you're going to be making positive changes, because whenever you push the body, that's when it really makes changes. One of the biggest mistakes most people make is they don't push themselves. They go to the gym 5, 6, 7 times a week. 2, 1. But they're not actually pushing their body, getting the most out of their workouts. All right, we got hip raise, or leg raises. 3, come on. 2, 1. Whew. Whew. Now I'm feeling it. But I know when we get through this, how good I'm gonna feel. 2, come on, push. 1, woo. Crossbody mountain climbers. Wow. Try and take big deep breaths. 3 seconds. 2, 1. Twist that core. This is really working the obliques while lifting that heart rate. Come on. Push, push, push. 5, 3, 2, 1. Whew. Wow. Guys, leg raises, or little leg semicircles with the crunch. 2, 1. There we go. Just like this. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh man, the core. I guess that's a good thing though. Come on, really keep pushing. 2, plank jacks. 1, fast as you can, butt down. 10 seconds to go. 5, 2, 1. Wow.